I thought being a designer can't be that hard, so I became one. The steps are easy.
It's so easy to become a lawyer. You just need to follow these simple steps. All you gotta do is add some letters after your name. You don't really need the degree. You just gotta pop them in there. Like so. Passed all the bars, sandbars, long bars. I've been over bars, under bars, I've been out of bars. All the bars, really. So yeah, the first thing you gotta do is get some business. And the way you do that, advertising. If you've been wronged by large insurance companies, call me the Wolf. That's Stephen the Wolf. That's Stephen the Wolf. After commercials, make some billboards. 1-800-555-7777. And after billboards, the sky's the limit.
And that's the difference. I mean, law, you have to work pretty hard to be a lawyer. You study hard.
It's not hard at all. I didn't go to school for this. Everything I've learned, I know from watching Law & Order. Law & Order. I picked up all the lingo. Billable hours, depositions. I object. I object to tons of things. No, I can't do it. No, I'm going to be at court. Yep, depose him. Depose him. Depose them all. That's all I need.
But this stuff is easy. I read this book and I think I got it aced because, you know, you open it up and there it all is, right there. And there are other pages. And, you know, by the time you've skimmed through this, you got it aced, I think. Pretty simple.
Yeah, so I pick these up from time to time. Self-Counsel Press. Legal series, of course. Yeah, if you love me, put it in writing. You know, you can write your own prenuptial agreement. You know, 4 years is nothing. You know, you just go through 40 pages instead. For this beauty in Canada, it is only $21.95. You too could be a prenuptial lawyer. Basic legal requirements. Let's skip that. Easy. Just in case. Yeah, that should do it.
It's everything you need to know. I mean, it is, after all, the big book of new design ideas. So you skim through this, and it's everything you need to know. Just terrific. It's great. Yep.
All you do is you pick up a couple select essential items. First off, we've got legal pads, pretty standard. You're right on it, it makes things legal.
And of course, you have to have your laptop, and it's got to be an Apple, so that's what I've got right here. If I press it, it turns on, see? It's great. And it's not enough to just be sitting in front of your laptop. You have to have something to inspire you. So as you'll see over there, I have all of these animals and jiggery-pokery and a cat, which helps me be creative. That's what it's all about, being creative.
You know, first and foremost, you gotta have a pen. Heavier the better. You don't want something that's gonna roll around too much. This little beauty is my my go-to. Always on me.
You gotta have the fonts. You gotta get them right for your message. And, you know, Times New Roman, classic, classy style, Comic Sans, and it is, I mean, you can see, it is comic. You just look at it and you can laugh. Herculaneum, well, I don't know when you would use that, but it's important, I'm sure.
How can we do our jobs without these posted arrow flags? Stick them everywhere. There's probably hundreds of areas. You know, you just pop them on anything and people can sign things for days with these puppies. There's probably going to be something there. One there. I think we'll make it work right about there. Fill this stuff in later. Yeah, no, my secretary will fill all this in later and line it up. Might need to readjust a couple things, but we should be good.
Just an example, I've found some great art, clip art. Well, it's highly professional, and I'm going to use it because you see there's a guy in the middle here with a big smile. And that's what you're trying to convey. It's somebody with a smile. So it kind of balances the clip very nicely. You know, it's 3, it's not just 1 or maybe 2, but 3. So it's good. There it is, right there. Clip art.
Go to court, I'm late. Ty!
Well, look, when you're a designer, you have to know your colors. And that's pretty easy. I mean, there it is. That's blue right there. And it's green. And I'm not sure what that is. It's sort of halfway. And that's yellow. And you got blue over there, see? Yeah. This one? You mean that orange blob there? Yeah, that's orange, I would say. Wouldn't you? Now, that looks black to me, but I know that's not a color because black is the absence of color. That much I know. Everybody knows that. So, that's about all you really need to know, I think.